Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which of the following country is India's longest border? Your right answer is Bangladesh. Option A is your correct answer. Where did the second Tamil Sangha meet at the following places? Your right answer is Kopasapuram. Option C is your correct answer. What is the size of the roots and roots of plants in plants due to which tissue? Your right answer is apical meristem. Option A is your correct answer. In which country is the Christ the Redeemer statue located? Your right answer is Brazil. Option D is your correct answer. Each production is possible by combining land, labor, physical capital and human capital. Your right answer is component of production. Option C is your correct answer. Which country won the gold medal in the both men's and men's basketball category in Rio Olympics 2016? Your right answer is USA, United States of America. Option A is your correct answer. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of dash. Your right answer is Sikh. Option C is your correct answer. When has the Public Accounting Committee formed in India? Your right answer is 1921. Option C is your correct answer. In 1897, who founded Ramakrishna Mission? Your right answer is Swami Vivekananda. Option D is your correct answer. The Prime Minister's Crop Insurance Scheme PMABY started for the year. Your right answer is 2016. Option D is your correct answer. What is the currency of Japan? Your right answer is Japanese yen. Option C is your correct answer. What confrontations with British and Ranjit Singh accept British right over Sitledge territories? Your right answer is Treaty of Amritsar. Option A is your correct answer. Which year was released from Bangladesh, Pakistan? Your right answer is 1971. Option C is your correct answer. What is the mass of Earth? Your right answer is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Option D is your correct answer. Who led the rebellion of 1857 in Lucknow? Your right answer is Begum Hazrat Palace. Option B is your correct answer. From which country is the famous traveler Phayan associated? Your right answer is China. Option D is your correct answer. When all the parallel ray falling on an unsteady plane become transformed, then it is called reflection. Your right answer is diffused reflection. Option B is your correct answer. Sardar Sarovar project is situated on which of the following rivers? Your right answer is Narmada. Option B is your correct answer. Government removal of government restrictions and barriers. Your right answer is liberalization. Option A is your correct answer. Which province was established by Nizam ul Mulk Asfajah in 1724? Your right answer is Hyderabad. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following are not isotopic? Your right answer is calcium 20 and argon 18. Option D is your correct answer. The audio line of sound for humans is dash. Your right answer is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Option D is your correct answer. The smallest unit of atomic element is called? Your right answer is atom. Option A is your correct answer. Which year was the National Stock Exchange of India Limited established? Your right answer is 1992. Option D is your correct answer. Which year was the first National Winter Sports held? Your right answer is 1996. Option C is your correct answer. How many members are there in the Lok Sabha according to the Constitution? Your right answer is 552 members. Option B is your correct answer. Which game is related to Sudirman Cup? Your right answer is badminton. Option D is your correct answer. The confluence of Koel and Shank river is known as dash. Your right answer is Brahmani river. Option D is your correct answer. Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2013 Which of the following countries own? Your right answer is India. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following was awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2018 for his contribution to the badminton game? Your right answer is Prakash Padukone. Option B is your correct answer. Initially, what was the number of judges set for the Supreme Court? Your right answer is 8 judge. Option C is your correct answer. What amendment was made by the Panchayat Raj system? Your right answer is 73rd amendment. Option A is your correct answer. The solution to dissociation of pure solid from their solutions is called crystals. Your right answer is crystallization. Option D is your correct answer. The Monitorial city is situated on the bank of which river? Your right answer is St. Lawrence. Option B is your correct answer. What is the minimum age limit for becoming a governor of a state in India? Your right answer is 35 years. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following rivers of Jharkhand get alluvial gold? Your right answer is Subarna Rekha. Option A is your correct answer. Shashi Thomas, who has awarded Arjun Award in 2014, which of the following sports are related to? Your right answer is sailing. Option B is your correct answer. Who has the executive power of the state? Your right answer is governor. Option D is your correct answer. What is the minimum age limit for becoming Lok Sabha members of a parliament? Your right answer is 25 years. Option A is your correct answer. Pir Panjal and Dauladhar range are part of dash. Your right answer is Lower Himalayan region. Option D is your correct answer. On the basis of equality, the ban or discriminations comes under the fundamental right of the Indian Constitution. Your right answer is right to equality. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following crop are grown by planting? Your right answer is all of the options are correct. Tea, coffee, cashew. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following planet revolves around clockwise? Your right answer is Arun or Uranus. Option D is your correct answer. What is the first mass strike of Indian freedom struggle? Your right answer is Rowlatt Satyagraha. Option A is your correct answer. Which committee was entrusted with the responsibility to inspect the estimate included in the budget and suggest public spending on the economy? Your right answer is Estimates Committee. Option B is your correct answer. Amrita Shergill is famous for the area of dash. Your right answer is painting. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the permanent house of the Indian Parliament? Your right answer is Rajya Sabha. Option D is your correct answer. Which selling is known by the name suicide thong? Your right answer is Lysosome. Option B is your correct answer. The property that is held by the recipient and which he uses as a lender guarantee until the loan is paid is called. Your right answer is collaborative contract. Option D is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class. Question of 50. Dash secretion from the endocrine gland. Your right answer is hormones. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.